What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. As you all know, the highest iPhone right now is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but Samsung has come through with something that is even higher than that. So here's the phone. I'm going to unbox it and also review the phone. So now let's open the phone. I don't think a scissor is going to work for this one, so let me get a blade. Okay, I think a blade is going to be better. Ooh. By the way, this is my first time ever touching this phone. It's the latest Samsung, and it's like, I think it's like the best phone right now in the world. Ooh, see the nice packaging, Samsung. Wow. And here is the phone. Oh my god. 3 cameras and a flash, and this is like the zooming quality, because this phone has the best zooming quality in the world right now, and it's actually like one of the best. I think it's the best phone in the world, followed by the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that's the phone right there. Wow, it's so cool. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna leave this on right now. There's like something on the screen. I'm gonna leave it on right now. I'm gonna turn on the phone. Ooh, let's turn it on. Yep, that's it. It's turning on. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The best phone in the world. So let's talk about the price. The price of the phone is 1,298,000. But I used an educational discount, which also you can use when ordering the phone. So I got like a $70 and like a $200 discount. So I actually bought the phone about like 1,199 or something like that. 1,119. If only I could like screen record the phone for you guys, so I would just like, I'm gonna be showing you guys. So I think it's asking for the language. So that's English, because we use English for sure. And now we're gonna start. I have to like agree to all the terms and conditions. Click next. Oh, I have to add my Wi-Fi. So let me add the Wi-Fi now. Okay, the Wi-Fi is connected. I'm gonna click next. I'm trying to get my camera to focus on the phone, but also I'm gonna be unboxing a few, because like when you order this phone on Samsung.com, they're gonna give you like a $200 to order accessories. But I did a mistake. Instead of me to order a lot of stuff that would make sure it's $200, I didn't know it was $200. So I only added a few stuff. So I didn't use my free $200 of accessories finish. I only used a few, but I'm gonna be unboxing all these accessories I have in here right now. Samsung is so good at packaging stuff to empty box, and they just like, they wrap their stuff a lot. Like the way they wrap their stuff is so funny. Okay, these are some of my accessories. I made a mistake by not using up my $200. I could have used my $200 for accessories to order an AirPod, but I didn't know. So yeah, the few accessories I have. Let's start with this one. I think I just like the phone cases. I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna open all of them right now for you guys, and I'm gonna text them and see the best one for my phone. This is the first phone case, and first phone case, I'm just gonna put it like this, and boom, that's the phone case. This one is a transparent phone case. Let's test another one. Okay, this one is also a clear transparent phone case. I think transparent phone cases are kind of cool. It makes like you see the real color of your phone. So we have one more case. So this is the last case right here, and it actually came with a pen. So I think this one is kind of cool. That's the pen for the phone, and this is the phone case. Let me know in the comment section which phone case you think is the best for this phone. I think this is a silver phone case with a pen. It has like a pen space on the side. You could just like use the pen to like just touch the phone. I think you see that. You just use the pen to like touch the phone. Okay, now I'm gonna connect this phone to my phone. Then we're gonna check the camera quality, video quality, the zooming quality, and all the qualities on the phone. I'm gonna show you guys the storage and everything about the phone too. So guys, I'm using the Samsung Ultra 5G to film myself right now, and this is the video quality. I'm also gonna be showing you guys the back camera, which I'm gonna switch it right. So this is the back. You see how quality that is? This is the light I'm using to film myself. And yep. And also I'm gonna be showing you guys some sensibilities. I'm gonna turn on my screen recording. I'm gonna show you guys also the camera quality too. So guys, the phone is right here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys like first of all, let's go to the settings. So this is the notification screens. These are some of the settings we have right here in front of me. So now let's go to settings. If you come to settings, I've already added my account. Let's go all the way down to about phone. So I want to show you guys about the phone. So okay, phone number is unknown. Model name Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The model number, serial number, IMEI. Okay, battery information. Okay, I have to charge the battery because this is my first time. I have to like, I'm supposed to charge the battery for 100% before I start using it. The battery is 40% right now. The battery capacity is 5,000 mAh. So it's gonna go low, very, very low, very simply. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. This is the battery. No, we don't need this. This is the storage. So the phone came with 128 gig. And you know, you might be wondering why have I used 26% so fast. It's because I'm transferring everything on my old phone into this phone. So everything on my old phone is 34.03 gig. So I'm transferring everything into this new phone, and that's why that's taking 26% of my space already. So yeah, that's it. The phone is 128 gig. Well, if you want to order the phone, you can order the phone that has like more gigabytes, but you're gonna like it costs more and stuff like that. So yeah. So those are the settings. So I'm gonna take you guys to the camera. So this is the video. This is the photo. This is a single take. We just like take single photos. If you come here to more, you're gonna see like all this AR, the Pro, panorama, portrait. Let's check out the portrait. To take portrait mode photos. Let's go back. Director's view. So this is like one of the effects that I like the most on the phone. This is kind of like you can film a reaction video on your own phone at the same time. It will turn on the front camera and the back camera at the same time, like as if I'm filming a reaction video. See, I'm filming my camera right now and the background and stuff like that. So the director's view is one of the best things I like most on the phone. This is slow motion, which is also good. That's like all this pro video, but the pro video can only film behind, can only use the back camera, and the pro video is like the quality is mad, bro. This is a night mode. It also has a food mode, bruh. You see, the food mode is kind of different. If I had like a food in front of me, it would just like make the food. I don't know. It's everything is just amazing on this phone, bro. Let's check out the zooming quality. Click on video. So it has these 4 features. You can like put it right here, or the 3, or 2 trees, or 3 trees, just like zoom in and zoom back and stuff like that. And I can switch it to my front, switch it back. So now if we want to check the zoom quality, I'm gonna go zoom in something right now to film it. See, it has like has all this like 4.0, 10x, 20x zoom. So like the zoom is so amazing. Like the zooming feature on the phone is like one of the best things on the phone. The zooming quality is so amazing. I wish I had like more stuff to like just zoom in right now, but like it's something that is far away. But honestly, the zoom is so good. I'm still using the phone right now to film myself. So yeah, I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel AOTube, and please go check. I'm gonna be posting my first video on my first timer. So go check that out, and where I'm gonna be posting things I'm gonna be doing for the first time ever. Go subscribe to that one too, because I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers on that one to get it monetized. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. God bless you. Konsamita. Annyeong. So this is my old phone right here, the Samsung A31, and I'm gonna be surprising my sister with it right now because she's actually using an LG phone. So let's go surprise her with this one. This is gonna be a new phone. Rodia, as said before, my old Samsung A30 is gonna be your new phone.
Oh my god! Thank you so much.